Hi, in this particular video today we would be discussing in brief the different login issues faced by a delegate and all the relevant steps that need to be taken care of by a delegate while logging onto the Float platform. So starting with the very first segment, we'll discuss the types of invites. So invites are basically pushed on for two types of events. One is a public event and a private event. For a public event, the delegate shows interest on the public listing of the event and accordingly registers for any particular event. For a private event, invites are pushed from the organizer's end via 10 times. In this case, basically the delegate registers itself at the organizer's end. So here we have a invite for a public event wherein we have the joining link and a joining code. The delegate can simply tap on click to join in order to access the event page directly, and also herein use the joining code to log in into the public event. For a private event where there is restrictions for delegates, there's an extra field that needs to be updated during login. That is the pin ticket. At any point of time, the delegate, whether is choosing to use the joining code or the pin ticket, please make sure that the whole field provided is being copied and entered during the initial login. For example, if we try to log in via pin ticket, the first step would be sign in with email. For a private event, select the mail address. Please make sure that the registered mail address is being used on which the relevant credentials in order to access the event have been pushed. Simply click on submit. Here you'll have to provide the ticket badge pin which has been shared on the registered mail address. Simply paste the whole credential. Click to join. During the initial login, please make sure that you allow your use of microphone and camera to the event site on Chrome. Basically, this would allow you to have a smooth experience if you are invited on a live panel wherein you have to share your audio and video feed with the panel discussion. Moving on, also if you are trying to access the event via joining code, please make sure you are copying the whole segment available here. Use the joining code, make sure you are entering the correct details, click to join, and accordingly you would be redirected to the floor event. Important points to note during login would be to use the registered mail address only while logging in. While entering the ticket badge or PIN ID, make sure it's correct, the one which has been provided in the registered mail address. For best experience of a floor event, we recommend to use a laptop or a desktop device and also the latest Chrome browser. If you have not received the invite, please make sure to check junk or spam folder as well in your inbox. During initial login, please make sure to feed in all the mandatory details marked by the red mark on individual fields. While adding the city, please make sure that you are choosing the option from the drop-down list. We also have provided a report issue option at any point of time delegate faces issue with the initial login. Simply click on report issue. Accordingly, you need to describe your issue. The reference page is already selected. Update your mail address onto which our internal team can connect with you. Also, you have option to access frequently asked questions. Once done, you can simply tap on submit. Post a successful login onto the event, a delegate lands upon different segments of the floor event as set by the organizer. And in order to access all the segments at one area, the delegate is requested to click on the map segment in order to access all the relevant segments. The stage segment to access all the sessions, the VIP segment to access all the speakers, the network area to access the networking lounges in order to interact with the other members. Also select on booths to interact with the exhibitors present. Also in the help desk area, the event administrators are present and also guide videos for the floor event is also available. Quick checklist for a delegate logging onto the floor platform. So for a browser, we recommend the latest version of Chrome, preferably version 83 and above. For Safari, we recommend version 13 and above. With respect to a device, Windows 10 above is recommended, and for Mac devices, High Sierra or 10.14 version and above. From our end, the recommendation for a smooth experience for floor event would be on a desktop and laptop device. Please make sure that your internet strength is more than 8 Mbps for a smooth experience on floor. We also have provided a troubleshoot option in order to check the internet strength, the camera and microphone, and accordingly can be changed as per requirement. At any point of time, if the delegate is facing any particular issue, they can simply tap on reboot in order to reboot all the existing connections. Also, please make sure to click on this video icon in order to allow access to Chrome browser for your microphone and camera. Once updated, simply click on done. Also click on the small lock icon in the URL bar to make sure the camera microphone are allowed from here as well, and also the sound notifications as well. For further troubleshooting steps for your device, we have updated an article. Please make sure to access that. Also, during login, delegates can face issues with respect to their VPN network and firewalls as well. We have updated an article briefing you how exactly to troubleshoot it. For a speaker also, it is a mandatory to enable the microphone and camera access so that they can smoothly access the backstage and go live on a live session as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was beneficial for you.